So you already know how to create a product and a product group. Today I'm going to show you how you can sell a product. And there are two ways. Mostly you will be selling a product on top of your tattoo session. So if you're going to sum up a tattoo session, which we already showed, let me do it again. This one. If I wrap up my session and I go to next, I'm going to skip the photos for this demonstration. Here you decide the final price of your tattoo. Let's say my tattoo session was 500. I can now decide to sell products. So in the previous video, I added this t-shirt as a product and I'm going to sell it now. I click on it, so it's added to the bill. We have the tattoo session first and then we have the shirt. Maybe your customer even wants to add a tattoo aftercare. The price is still at 0 here. Doesn't matter. So now your total is 550. You go to pay now and the system asks you to pay 550. If your customer chooses to pay with cash, you add 550 and now you can hit save. This payment is in the system. You can see the green dot appearing. That is now in case that you add a product to your tattoo session. But sometimes somebody comes in your studio and they just want to buy a product without having a tattoo done. This mostly happens with piercing jewelry, for example. People just come for a ring or for something nice for in their ears and they already have the piercing pierced a while ago. In that case, you just go to POS and on the first step, you see a similar kind of form. And here you have to sell your product. You click on it. Again, you choose your products and now it is listed in the bill. Let me add a price to the products first. So the piercing aftercare, let's say that one is 15. And the tattoo aftercare, let's say that one is 15 too. Yeah, I'm going to go to POS. I want to sell a piercing aftercare and I want to sell a t-shirt. You just add the two products to your checkout form, to your cart, you could say. Then you go to pay now. It's again exactly the same form. So your customer chooses if they want to pay cash, card, something else. If it was card, you need 65 in total. 65, total paid 65. There you go. That is the selling of a product.